Best drone. Ever wanted to experience the excitement of flying a drone and capturing amazing views from above, but felt professional drones were too complicated or expensive? The PLEGBLE PL515 brings a beginner-friendly way to step into the world of aerial photography. With a foldable design, 4K camera, easy flight controls, and smart features built for new pilots, this little drone promises a fun flying experience without a steep learning curve. But the real question is, can an affordable beginner drone actually deliver a satisfying experience? Let's find out. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. If you're looking for a compact drone that's easy to carry but still delivers impressive aerial footage, the Potensic Atom SE is definitely worth checking out. This is a lightweight GPS drone designed for beginners and hobby pilots who want a simple way to capture smooth outdoor videos. One of the biggest highlights is the built-in 4K EIS camera, which helps create more stable footage while flying. The foldable design also makes it convenient to take on trips without carrying a bulky setup. I like that it comes with 3 batteries in this combo, giving you more time in the air before needing to recharge. The GPS features are another strong point. Automatic return to home, different flight modes, and beginner-friendly controls make the flying experience less stressful for new users. The brushless motors also help the drone feel stable during normal outdoor flights. However, this is still a lightweight consumer drone, so it may not match the image quality, obstacle avoidance, or advanced features found on higher-end models. Wind performance can also depend on real-world conditions. Overall, the Potensic Atom SE is a solid choice for beginners and casual creators who want a portable drone with 4K video, reliable controls, and good flight time without moving into a professional price range. Pros. Lightweight and foldable design. 4K EIS camera with stable footage. 3 batteries included for longer flying sessions. Cons. No advanced obstacle avoidance system. Camera performance may vary in difficult lighting. Not designed for professional-level aerial production. Number 4. DJI Mini 4K Camera Drone. The DJI Mini 4K is a great example of how modern drones are becoming smaller without giving up the features people actually care about. This compact drone is designed for beginners, travelers, and anyone who wants to capture smooth aerial footage without carrying a heavy setup. The first thing that stands out is the 4K camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal. In everyday use, that combination helps create much smoother and more professional-looking videos compared to drones with basic stabilization. The lightweight design is another big advantage because it makes the drone easy to transport and more convenient for casual flying. DJI also keeps things beginner-friendly with features like GPS positioning, automatic return to home, stable hovering, and quick-shot modes that help create creative videos with just a few taps. The flight controls feel approachable, even for someone flying a drone for the first time. There are a few limitations to keep in mind. This model does not include some advanced features found on premium DJI drones, such as obstacle avoidance systems. Also, serious creators may want a higher-end camera setup for professional projects. Overall, the DJI Mini 4K is a reliable choice for beginners and hobby users who want a lightweight drone with strong video quality, easy controls, and the trusted DJI flying experience. Pros. Excellent 4K video with 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Lightweight and easy for beginners to fly. Reliable GPS features and smart flight modes. Cons. No obstacle avoidance sensors. Not ideal for professional filmmaking. Limited advanced features compared to premium DJI models. Number 3. Loiley 2K HD Camera Drone. If you're just getting started with drones and want something simple to learn on, the Loiley camera drone is designed with beginners in mind. It focuses on easy controls, portability, and fun features without making the flying experience complicated. One of the main highlights is the built-in 2K HD camera, which lets you capture basic aerial photos and videos while flying. The adjustable camera angle and FPV connection through your phone make it more enjoyable to explore different views from the air. For new pilots, features like one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and speed adjustment can make learning much easier. The optical flow positioning system also helps improve stability during indoor and calm outdoor flights. I also like that the foldable design makes it easy to carry in a backpack, and the included 2 batteries give you extra flying time. However, this is an entry-level drone, so expectations should stay realistic. The The camera quality is suitable for casual moments, but it will not compete with higher-end drones from brands focused on professional aerial photography. Wind performance may also be limited because of its lightweight design. Overall, the Loiley drone is a good option for beginners, kids, and casual users who want an affordable way to learn drone flying and enjoy simple aerial photography. Pros: beginner-friendly controls and flight modes. Foldable design with portable carrying bag. Includes 2 batteries for longer play sessions. Cons: camera quality is basic compared to premium drones. Not ideal for windy outdoor conditions. Limited advanced flight features for experienced users. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo. The Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo is a drone that brings a lot of advanced features into a compact design. It is built for creators, travelers, and drone enthusiasts who want high-quality aerial footage without carrying a large professional setup. The biggest attraction here is the camera system. With a 4K HDR video capability, 8K photo support, and a 3-axis gimbal, the drone is designed to capture smoother and more detailed shots. The Sony CMOS sensor also helps improve image quality, especially when shooting in different lighting conditions. Another feature I really like is the included PTD1 remote controller with a built-in display. It means you don't always need to connect your phone before flying. The AI tracking modes, vertical shooting, quick shots, and cinematic flight options give creators more ways to capture unique footage. The Fly More combo also adds convenience with 3 batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying bag. The lightweight design makes it easy to travel with while still offering GPS features and stable flight performance. Of course, there are some limitations. It does not have every premium safety feature found on higher-priced professional drones, and beginners may need some time to learn all the available controls and shooting modes. Overall, the Potensic Atom 2 is a feature-packed drone for users who want creative filming options, long flight time, and a more advanced flying experience in a compact package. Pros: high-quality 4K video with 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Built-in display remote controller is very convenient. AI tracking and creative shooting modes. Cons: advanced features may feel overwhelming for beginners. No mention of obstacle avoidance system. Premium features come with a higher learning curve. Number 1. PLEGBLE PL515 Camera Drone. The PLEGBLE PL515 is a beginner-friendly drone made for people who want to explore aerial photography without jumping into a complicated setup. It combines a compact foldable design with easy controls, making it a practical option for casual flying. The main highlight is the built-in 4K camera with image stabilization features. For everyday use, it can capture fun outdoor moments and give beginners a chance to experience FPV flying through a smartphone connection. The adjustable camera angle also helps you get different perspectives while recording. This drone is designed to be simple to operate. Features like altitude hold, speed adjustment, 1-key controls, and 360-degree flips make it enjoyable for new pilots. The brushless motors are also a nice addition because they are generally more efficient and can provide smoother flight compared to basic brushed motors. The foldable body and included carrying case make it easy to take along for trips. The dual battery setup also gives you more flying time compared to many basic beginner drones. However, this is still an entry-level drone. The camera quality may not match premium models, and the limited control range means it is better suited for casual use rather than serious aerial filming. Overall, the PLEGBLE PL515 is a good starting point for beginners who want a simple portable drone with a camera and fun flight features. Pros: beginner-friendly controls and easy setup. Foldable design with portable storage case. Brushless motors for smoother flight performance. Cons: camera quality is limited compared to advanced drones. Shorter transmission range. Not designed for professional aerial photography.